Hey, what's up guys? Auto Fanatic. So just gonna be a quick video here showing you this new awesome pressure washer gun, and I'm also gonna show you my new setup with the active lance. So I have a bunch of these, and this is actually the MTM with the swivel, right? You look at this here, and we got the MTM lance, and we got the MTM 40 degree with the rubber on the end. So this is the junk that comes with the Giraffe. If you guys watched my pressure washer video, horrible. So being that I'm using the Giraffe now, I sold my Ryobi pressure washer that I did a video on to my buddy, and I refuse to use this. This is garbage. This is gonna go in the garbage, but you can just see, they're just terrible. So this is what I've been using for years. It works, it's effective, but I went to order a new one and they weren't gonna be delivered for like, I don't know, 2 weeks. I don't know, maybe these were out of stock with the stainless steel quick connects and the swivel. So I was looking for an alternative, and I went up on Amazon and I found this one here, which looks very similar to the MTM, but I will tell you right now, it's got a better ergonomic. You can see here where this is a little bit sharper and this is a little bit smoother, okay? So the reason I'm shooting this video is because this is an insane value. I paid $29 for this. It's got the swivel, stainless steel on the bottom, and it's actually, if you look here, you guys could see, it's much shorter than conventional, which actually is easier. It's smoother, it's shorter, it's got a better connector up here. So this is the box it came in, and this is the brand. It's called Tutu Luck or something like that. But this was really an insane value. So check this out. Look what you're getting in this kit. You're getting the gun like that in beautiful packaging. You're getting a bunch of fittings depending on your pressure washer. Even like a garden hose, quick disconnect and all of that comes in the kit. You get your Teflon tape, and you're also getting a 40 degree nozzle, which is similar to the MTM. I think the MTM one, this is like probably 50 bucks. I don't remember, but you're getting all of this for $29. So that's why I'm shooting this video. It's an insane value. So then I needed a lance, and my Mosmatic and my MTM lance at the shop broke. And then I ordered the active lance, and I also ordered the active gun, and I did not like the active gun. It has rubber over here, and the more I was using it, it was kind of giving me blisters on my hand over here. And I was like, all right, ergonomically, it just wasn't what I wanted. So this is my new favorite gun, and this is my new favorite lance. So you can kind of see the active lance has a little bit of a taper to it. It's lightweight, and it feels less bulkier than the MTM and the Mosmatic. Okay, you're just looking at that there. And it's definitely lighter and easier to use. So I'm gonna connect it real quick. I'll show you guys a quick demo. I'm just gonna rinse off my car, but this feels superior to the MTM, and it feels better than the Mosmatics. It feels better than the active and pretty much everyone out there. So this is gonna be my pressure washer gun of choice for the here on in. I don't know how long it'll last, but I will tell you right now, it's smoother back here, it's more comfortable, it feels more robust, it has a shorter swivel on the bottom, all stainless steel connections. It's definitely brass. You can see that there. It's definitely brass construction. It's not stainless guts, but it feels really, really nice. You also have a trigger lock back here, which I never really used that, but it's there if you need it. And it looks like they tried to copy the MTM, and they kind of made the castings and the design a lot better. You can see it right there. And it's also cheaper. So let me just show you guys a quick demo. I will put the links to this pressure washer gun in the video description. Go to Amazon, buy it. These things are going to sell out, and probably they're going to go up in price. And also definitely consider the active lance. I think this is one of the best ones. It's super lightweight, comes in incredible packaging, all stainless steel construction, and it just feels better in your hands with the design of it versus the MTM, which is bulkier, and the Mosmatic. So let's do a quick demo right now, and I'll show you guys. So I'm going to use the included nozzle just on the short gun just to show you guys, and we're using the Giraffe Grand Falls high flow pressure washer. Absolutely awesome. So check this out. The quick disconnects are far better than the ones that I've used on Amazon, and even the ones that I've used from a lot of vendors online. So it works really, really well. So now I'm just going to connect the active lance. Now, I did a video many years ago showing that these tend to leak a lot. Got a little bit of a wiggle here. You want to get underneath like that. That's why having an angled lance is awesome. So guys, don't sleep on this. Insane deal. This was $29. This was $49. In the kit, like I showed you, you're going to get the quick connects, the hose connectors. You're also going to get the soft nozzle, 40-degree rinse nozzle as well. Links are in the video description below. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more content. Like I said, when I find something that has the quality and insane value, I'm going to do a short video, throw it up on the channel, because a lot of you guys appreciate that. I'll do the testing and I report back. This thing is absolutely awesome. See you guys in the next one. See you guys soon.